Hello friends, I am Professor Vagmadi PR, working as assistant professor in agronomy department. Today we will discuss the topic on crop production technology of foxtail millet, is also called as cocoon or the locally called as rada. You can see here the first one, that is the botanical name of foxtail millet, that is Sitaria italica, and the family belongs to, that is Poaceae, and the origin of foxtail millet is from Central Asia or the China. Then area and distribution, the major foxtail millet growing countries are India, China, then USSR, then Africa. Then China ranks first in terms of the production of the foxtail millet. In India, the major foxtail millet growing countries are Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, then Uttar Pradesh and Uttaranchal. As the same in case of the finger millet and the foxtail millet, the states, that is the Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Uttaranchal are the uh, uh, major state. Then among the state, that is Andhra Pradesh ranks first in terms of the area production of the foxtail millet. And the next one, we can see the economic importance or uses of the foxtail millet. The foxtail millet is also called as Italian millet or the German millet. The foxtail millet grain contains the 10 to 12% protein, 4 to 7% fat, then 60 to 60.6% carbohydrate, then 2.29% to 2.7% lysine, and the 0.59 milligram thiamine. The grains are used as a cooking, and it is also be commonly for the consumption or the home consumption or human consumption. Then grains of the foxtail millet are also be used as feed for cafe birds, and then chapatis are also be prepared from flour and eaten. And the straw is not likely to be used for the as feeding for the livestock, and then also be not good for the horses. Next one, we can see the health benefits of the foxtail millet. As the proper first one, proper function of cardiac, vitamin B1 assists in the formation of neurotransmitter, and the acetylcholine, which helps in the transfer of the message from between the muscles and the nerves. It also the safeguard guards the functions of the cardiac. And second one, they enhance the memory. Vitamin B1 helps to enhance the concentration and the memory power. It helps to manage the nervous alignments, and such as the Bell's uh, palsy and the multiple sclerosis. And then third one, that is antioxidant. The vitamin B1 acts as the antioxidant, which slows down the process of age, spots and then wrinkles and other age related problems that has a negative effect on the organs. And also the brain health, the iron assists in the brain development. It supplies the oxygen to the brain, as it uses about 20% of the blood oxygen. These are the health benefits of the foxtail millet, like the proper function of the cardiac, then enhanced memory, then antioxidant, then brain health. Next one, the ecological condition or the soil and climate. As the soil, the foxtail millet can grow on wide adaptability of different soils, from very poor to very fertile, and can tolerate a certain degree of alkalinity. And the best soil is alluvial, loamy, and the sandy soil with the good drainage. The soil should have the high water holding capacity. Then soil should be rich in organic matter and the other nutrients also. And the sandy loam to clay loam soils are very ideal for foxtail millet cultivation. Then pH range should be 6.5 to 7.5. Then climate, foxtail millet is an important warm season, requires warm climate, and also can grow extensively in the warm regions of the world. And also it is a highly drought resistant and can be grown in areas where there is a scanty of rainfall, and mainly grown in the kharif, and also the requires hot and humid climate and also the warm weather. Then also can withstand in the any adverse climatic conditions, and because it is a hardy crop or drought resistant crops, can be grown in the wide variability of the climate, and also it completes its life cycle within a short period of time. This is a climatic requirement of uh, foxtail millet. And next one, the uh, field preparation. After the harvesting of the previous crop, the land should be plowed with the help of iron plow or movable plow, and left as such. And after the onset of monsoon, 2 to 3 harrowings should be given before last harrowing requires quantity of FIM should be incorporated into the soil as a source of organic matter, also helpful for the enrichment of the carbon, and indirectly it will supply the nitrogen to the crop. And next one, the seeds and sowing. The seed rate required for especially in the foxtail millet as a drilling, that is 8 to 10 kg per hectare, and for broadcasting that is 15 kg per hectare, and spacing that is 25 by 8 centimeter, and sowing time June to July. Sowing depth that is 2 to 3 centimeter. Then sowing method, broadcasting and drilling. The seeds of the foxtail millet are treated with the Seracin at the rate of 3 gram per kg of seed before sowing for the prevent against the soil as well as seed-borne diseases, and also they treated with biofertilizer like azotobacter at the rate of 25 gram per kg of seed. It helps the atmospheric nitrogen fixation by non-symbiotically as well as the germination of the crop. Next one, the manures and the fertilizers or the nutrient requirement. As the foxtail millet requires roughly 5 tons of FIM per hectare before 1 month or 2 to 3 weeks before sowing. Then recommended dose of fertilizer, that is 40, 20, 20 kg NPK per hectare. That is half dose of N and full dose of PNK should be applied at the time of sowing, and the remaining half dose of nitrogen should be applied at tillering or the panicle initiation stage. Next one, the varieties. There are different types of varieties of foxtail millet, that is TNAU 43, then TNAU 186, 196, then CO1, then CO2, CO4, CO5, K2, K3, then CIA 3088, then 3156, 3085, then PH4. These are the different varieties, that is SIA 326, SIA 3085, then SIA 3088, PS4, then SIA 2644, and 3156. These are the popular varieties of the foxtail millet. And next one, the cropping systems, especially in the foxtail millet, their crop rotation, that is after harvesting of this previous crop, that is foxtail millet, the choice of in case of rabi season, there is major crop, there is maize, chickpea, then wheat and barley are the ideal examples as in crop rotation systems in chickpea in after harvesting of the foxtail millet. An intercropping system as in foxtail millet as a non-leguminous crop, which can grown along with the leguminous crop, that is groundnut, then pigeon pea is the ideal crops. We are suitable crops with grown along with the foxtail millet as intercrop. And the next one, that is water management. The foxtail millet is the most commonly grown in the Kharif season, and therefore it does not require any irrigation if rains are received timely. But sometimes if the rains are not received timely or properly, then you should apply the irrigations at the critical growth stage, that is the vegetative stage, then tillering stage, then panicle initiation stage, then flowering and the grain filling stage. Among all the stages, the tillering is the most critical or the sensitive stage for irrigation. Next one, the weed management. The finger millet, in case of the foxtail millet, as the requires two hoeing and the 2 to 3 hand weeding operations for the control of the weed, and also the post emergence application of the 240 sodium salt at the rate of 1 kg active ingredient per hectare at 20 to 25 days after sowing, and also the isoproteron at the rate of 1 kg active ingredient per hectare as a pre-emergence spray is also effective for the control of the weeds. Next one, the pest and diseases. The major pest of the foxtail millet, that is shoot fly. As in case of little millet, there is also the major pest, that is shoot fly, and also in case of the foxtail millet, also the shoot fly is the major pest. And the control measure, that is early sowing, that is second fortnight of July or with the onset of monsoon, or adopt the higher seed rate, that is 1.5 times the recommended seed rate to make up the seedling mortality. And they also monitor by the fish meal trap, and then also soil application of forate 8 to 10 kg per acre in a furrow is effective for the checking out the shoot fly infestation. Then carbofuran in a granule formulation, the 3G 1.5 kg active ingredient per hectare as a soil application for the most effective in reducing the shoot fly incidence. Then spraying of the quinalphos 2 ml per liter is also effective for the reduce control of this infestation. Next one, the diseases. The major diseases of this foxtail millet, that is blast and rust, can be controlled with the help of spray with the crop with SAF 0.2% or the carbendazim 0.05% or tricyclazole of 0.05% with the first spray at 50% flowering and followed by the second spray after 10 days. Next one, the harvesting and yield. The crop of the foxtail millet matures up to 80 to 100 days. The crop is harvested when the areas are dry, or either by the cutting the whole plant by the sickle or ears separately, and later on the remaining plant parts. And mostly the crop is harvested during the Kharif season, that is from September to October. The grain and the yield obtained from this foxtail millet, that is 15 to 18 quintals per hectare, and the straw yield, that is 20 to 40 quintals per hectare. Thank you. This is today's topic about the crop production technology of foxtail millet.